Hi guys, here are 15 important points that every CA fresher should keep in mind while making their CV. First, there is no fixed format for a CV, but you have to keep it simple. Do not use any fancy tables or charts. Second, you try and fit your CV in one page and avoid leaving unwanted space between headers and the main text. Third, try to use the same font style in the entire document, preferably Times New Roman or Arial. Fourth, try and write the period, the month and year exactly of your articleship experience and the location to which the firm belongs. Location is important if you are trying to apply for a job in a city other than the one where you finished your articleship. Fifth, do not write fake points in your articleship experience. Instead, polish your existing experience using refined language. Sixth, the experience or the learning from your articleship which you are most confident about or you think that you can explain the best, please mention them before the other points, as the interviewer is likely to ask you questions on the points which are in the start of your experience. Seventh, avoid writing the names of your clients. Instead, you can specify the industry to which they belong to, for example transport industry or metal industry. Eighth, if possible, you can quantify the type of work you have done in articleship by stating approximate revenue figures or the size of the company you have audited or done the tax returns of. Ninth, avoid using acronyms or jargons in your CV. If you have to use or specify something which is commonly known in a short way, still write the long name of it, right? Like for example, write Income Tax Act 1962 instead of mentioning IT Act. 10th, in your educational qualification, go by the reverse chronological order by writing the degree that you have achieved latest. 11th, do not write your points in paragraph forms. Please use unnumbered bullets to write all points, even in your experience section and extracurriculars and achievement section. Make sure that all the bullets are aligned in the document. 12th, start each sentence with an action word and ensure that the tense in the entire document is same. I am attaching a list of action words in the description of this video. Please go through it. I'm sure it will help you all. 13th, this career objective line and date of birth is actually avoidable. It is not compulsory to mention this. Next, please make a LinkedIn profile if you haven't made it yet and mention its link on your resume. Then you can totally avoid mentioning your nationality in your resume, the languages that you know, because if you know any foreign language you can mention it, obviously, if you are very proficient in it, or if you are applying for a job which has offices in the country where this foreign language is spoken. Otherwise, if it is just local languages, then you can avoid mentioning it. You can also avoid writing your marital status, because at this juncture it is not very important. For general hobbies, please avoid writing traveling, reading, cooking, because it is very vague and general. Even if you want to write something of your interest, you can write reading about some specific topic. Do not just generally mention reading. Then if you have nothing to write for IT skills other than MS Office skills, please avoid it, because if you are a CA student, you are bound to know MS Office. The 15th and the last point is, you have to make a cover letter while you're forwarding your resume anywhere for a job application. A cover letter or few lines in the mail body summarizing whatever is there in your resume in 2 lines maximum. This cover letter is important so that it makes a base for anybody who is accessing your CV. So I hope this video is helpful for all the CA freshers. I am attaching this resume format along with another format, and a list of action words and different types of experiences that you can use in your own CVs. Please tell me if you like this video. Thank you.